Hi guys, it's Katie Sayed here, founder of the Decluttered You initiative. So good to see you all. I wanted to chat about a topic that is near and dear to our hearts, and that is sleep. Uh-oh, I think we got disconnected. Okay, we're back on. It always happens, guys, on these videos. Okay, but we're good to go now. So, as I was saying, I wanted to chat about a topic that is near and dear to our hearts, and that's this idea of sleep. We all love sleep, maybe especially a little bit more during this time of year with the holidays around us, hence my Christmas tree, when we're so just on the go and our bodies need a rest and need some sleep. But I wanted to chat because there's often a misconception around sleep. So I have a question for you, and that is rest and sleep the same? Well, the answer is no. It's actually very quite different, and we're going to dive into the differences here. So, feeling that mental fog and sluggish is really all too familiar for many of us, right? Again, especially during this holiday season, we're probably feeling that a little bit more. And our very on-the-go lifestyle can make us feel productive, but there's often a price that we pay. And when we are pushed too far, feelings of exhaustion and overwhelm and stress come up. Am I right? Are you all feeling that a little bit more during this time of year? Well, this is where rest and sleep come into play to help us to find that balance of living a fulfilling life, but also living a healthy and well one too. So what is sleep? Hi, Anna. So what is sleep and what is rest? Well, the difference is sleep is nightly hours of shut-eye where our body slows down and remains inactive. But this is also where our body restores itself and repairs itself. So this is very vital. In a nutshell, sleep is for the body. So while sleep is for the body, then what is rest? Well, rest is more so for the mind to restore and repair itself. So because of that, for most of us, feeling tired or worn down might make you think you need more sleep. And while quality sleep is very critical to our health, there's no denying that, rest is often much more than that. Rest involves your whole being, your mind and your spirit, not just your body. So how can we incorporate more rest into our day-to-day? Rest really can be a conscious action of self-care for us. And self-care isn't a one-size-fits-all. So I suggest tap into your wants and your needs and assess which areas of your life need a little bit more attention, maybe a little bit more rest. So I have a few ideas for you all that I wanted to share to help you get some of that much needed rest that we all probably desire during this hectic holiday season. So I have 10 different steps here. Number 1 is get outside. And if it's cold for you, wherever you live, then make sure you just bundle up, put your hats and gloves on. But even just going on a simple nature walk, which is one of my personal favorite activities to do, that can be so restoring and meditative for the mind. Number 2 is move your body. So if there's any sort of physical exercise or movement, find what works for you and incorporate that into your week to help energize you and get your mind going. Number 3, focus on your life-giving force within you, and that's your breath. There are so many different breathing exercises out there. So I definitely encourage you to try a breathing technique for yourself as a way to help soothe your mind by releasing any thoughts that are racing through your mind. In return, this really helps to settle your nervous system and just calm yourself overall. All right, number 4 is hang out with friends. You guys, we are humans, and as humans, we are social beings. So take this as a reminder to plan a night, just hang out with some of your closest friends. When you surround yourself with people who make you feel like the best version of yourself, I promise you will feel immediately better. Socializing might just be what your doctor ordered. Okay, number 5, try journaling. Often we have so many thoughts racing through our head, which can cause these feelings of overwhelm. But sometimes just simply writing down these thoughts, it's almost as if you are releasing those thoughts and coming back to the present. Okay, number 6 is stay hydrated. This is probably one of the easiest ways to care for your mind and for your body, is just drink more fluids, drink more water. Number 7, have a spa day. Go ahead and book that massage, book that facial. And if either of those are not in your budget, then go ahead, buy a facial mask at your local health food store, or better yet, make one yourself. There's so many different ways that you can make a facial mask. So relax with it on and tell yourself no phones allowed during this spa time for yourself. Okay, number 8, guys, we're almost there. Cook a nourishing meal. So fuel your mind and your body up with some healthy whole foods. And while it might be easy to just go with the takeout method or try the Uber Eats method, try to nourish your body with food that you actually took the time to prepare. And as a result, it really can be a special event to know that your blood, sweat, and tears went into the food that you are now nourishing and fueling your body with. So here's a reminder to pull that recipe out that you've been meaning to try and cook it and enjoy it. Okay, number 9 is diffuse your favorite scent. So essential oils derived from plants are a great way to promote feelings of just overall calm and relaxation within your space, making it feel more like an oasis or sanctuary for yourself, helping to get you more in that restful state. Okay, and number 10, this is something that I think all of us could probably be better on, and that is to turn off your phone. Even just for 30 minutes or an hour, I encourage you put airplane mode on, or really just physically turn it off. Don't look at it, and just relax your mind. Stop stimulating it and just calm it down. Okay, guys, so those are the top 10 ways of just helping to find rest into your day-to-day. And the benefits of rest range from improved physical health, reduction of feelings of anxiety and stress, higher self-confidence, and more stable relationships with, most importantly, yourself. So the bottom line is, guys, that I wanted to share with you all that rest and sleep are indeed not the same thing, but both equally vital for our health and well-being, especially during this holiday season. So here's a reminder to make sure to get some vital shut-eye in the night, but also make sure to get some rest throughout the day by unwinding your mind and unplugging yourself, and give yourself a little extra care and intention. Rest is about taking care of your needs because you deserve it. All right, guys. Well, it was so good chatting with you all. I'd love to hear from you all. Any ideas of some self-care ideas to share with our community here? Go ahead, write it in the comments below. It's always a pleasure hearing from you all. Until next time, guys, have a good day. Bye-bye.